The secret beauty of Spanish women. Confidence, sunlight, and soul. They walk like the sun belongs to them. Spanish women, bold, radiant, untamed. Their beauty isn't polished, it's alive. But what makes them so unforgettable? It's not makeup. It's not plastic perfection. It's something deeper, a rhythm that comes from the soul. Today, we're diving into the mysterious, magnetic beauty of Spanish women and why the world can't look away. Part 1. The sun-kissed glow. Spain is drenched in sunlight more than 300 days a year. But that glow isn't just from the sun. It's a reflection of how they live. Olive oil, siestas, laughter, tapas, slow mornings. They live with balance, with warmth. Their skin isn't pale because they don't hide from life. They embrace it. That golden tone. It's not fashion, it's philosophy. Part 2. The imperfect hair, perfect confidence. In Spain, perfect hair isn't about symmetry or control. It's about the wind, the moment, the energy. Their waves are messy but deliberate, as if to say, I'm not here to impress. I'm here to live. They don't chase beauty. They radiate it by simply existing. Part 3. The eyes that speak. If you've ever talked to a Spanish woman, you'll remember her eyes. Not because they're big or small, but because they see you. Their gaze is powerful, like they're unafraid to be seen and unafraid to see right through you. They don't need heavy eyeliner or fake lashes. Their secret weapon? Authenticity. It's the look that says, I know who I am. Part 4. A story from Madrid. I remember sitting in a small cafe in Madrid. An older woman, maybe in her 60s, walked in. Gray hair, red lipstick, eyes full of fire. Everyone turned. Not because she was glamorous, but because she carried herself like a queen who didn't need a crown. That's the Spanish magic. Beauty doesn't fade with age. It evolves into power. Part 5. Emotion over perfection. In Spain, emotion is not hidden. If they're happy, they laugh loudly. If they're angry, you'll know. If they love completely. That emotional honesty becomes visible beauty. Because you can't fake passion. And in Spain, passion is the default setting. Part 6, the red lip revolution. Ask any Spanish woman about red lipstick, and she'll tell you it's not makeup, it's armor. On good days, it celebrates joy. On bad days, it says, I'm still standing. The red lip is the flag of resilience, and every woman who wears it says silently, I'm enough. Part 7. The body as history. Unlike many cultures obsessed with perfection, Spanish women don't hide their bodies. They dance, swim, walk. Not because they're flawless, but because they're free. Stretch marks, curves, wrinkles. To them, that's not shame. That's life. Their bodies tell stories of food, love, laughter, time. That's what makes them beautiful. So, what's the secret beauty of Spanish women? It's not their hair or lips or skin. It's the courage to be real, to live loudly, to love fiercely, to glow even when life gets messy. Spanish beauty isn't perfection. It's passion made visible.